Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use Python OpenCV on your Visual Studio Code editor on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to create your project folder. So let's create that. So I'm going to create a new project folder with the name OpenCV app, for example. And then I'm going to open this folder in my Visual Studio Code editor, which is simple. You can just click on open folder or click on file and then click on open folder and then just navigate to your OpenCV app folder. So I'm going to just select this folder and then I'm going to just open this folder in my Visual Studio Code editor. I'm going to just say yes, I trust this app, and then to test my OpenCV code, I'm going to create a very simple uh, Python script. So let me create a Python file first of all. I'm going to name my file as test.py and then press enter, which is going to create the script. And then I'm going to just write a very simple OpenCV script which imports CV2 library, and then you can see it creates some shapes on the image. So right now you can see when I import CV2, it says import CV2 could not be resolved. So to solve this problem, just open your terminal. So click on terminal and then open a new terminal. And then first of all, we are going to create a new virtual environment in our project so that we can just install OpenCV libraries locally in our project. So just type this command, which is Python. But first of all, you can see that I have opened PowerShell here. I want to open the command prompt terminal and not the PowerShell. You can use PowerShell if you want, but for now I'm going to be using command prompt. So just make sure that command prompt terminal is open. You can just click on this icon and then click on command prompt, and the command prompt terminal will be opened. Now just type Python -m v-env and the name of your virtual environment. I'm going to name my virtual environment as my env. You can name your virtual environment as anything. So this name can be given by you. Once you have written your command, press enter, which is going to create your virtual environment in your project. You can see this directory is created once you have given the command. Also, Visual Studio Code is going to give you this kind of message window which says, we noticed a new environment has been created. Do you want to select it for the workspace folder? I can say yes for Visual Studio Code, and it will be saved for your Visual Studio Code. So now your environment is created, but you need to activate it. So when you open your my env or whatever is the name of your virtual environment folder, you will see a script directory under it, and there is this activate file here. We need to run this to activate our virtual environment. To run this, just type the name of your virtual environment folder, which is my env in my case, then /, then write scripts, and then / activate. Just type this command and then press enter, which is going to activate your virtual environment. And to verify if your virtual environment has been activated, you can see that the name of your virtual environment is now visible in front of your path, right? So if you see this path, that means your virtual environment has been activated for your project. Before running this command, I was not seeing this virtual environment name in front of the path, right? Once that's done, in order to install OpenCV in your project, you can give this command. So just write pip install and then write OpenCV -Python. Okay, You don't need to install CV2 package, because in order to import this library, you just need to install OpenCV Python package, right? Not CV2 package. Just type pip install OpenCV Python and then press enter, which is going to install this pip package in your project. And once this command is successful, you will see this message which says successfully installed NumPy, which is the dependency of OpenCV, and OpenCV Python, right? You can also see this warning, and this appears when your pip is older, right? So in order to upgrade your pip version, you can give this command if you want, but for now I don't want to do this. So once OpenCV Python is installed successfully, you can just run your script. So now you will see that these squiggly lines are gone from the import. I just need to import NumPy also in my script, because I'm using NumPy for creating uh, my images. Now I can just run this script by just typing Python and the name of the script, which is test.py in my case, and then press enter. Once I press enter, you can see there is the output of my script, and I was just creating some shapes in my OpenCV code, so it's just creating those shapes here. And this is how you can install and use OpenCV in your Visual Studio Code editor, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.